Hello, my name is Ardi and we are going to solve problem 6 from exercise 4.7 from Calculus Stewart book. And the question is, what is the minimum vertical distance between the parabolas y is equal to x squared plus 1 and y is equal to x minus x squared? Okay, the first thing that we need to do is to draw the parabolas. So this one and this one. Let's graph it. Okay, I already graph it. So this is the graph. So the red one is the parabola y is equal to x squared plus 1. And then the blue one is y is equal to x minus x squared. And what is the vertical distance? The vertical distance is the distance vertically between this curve here. So it can be here, it can be here, or anywhere else. And they ask for minimum vertical distance, right? Maybe around here, my feeling. Okay, I don't know. But we know exactly that we can calculate the vertical distance. Let's name this as y1 and then the blue one as y2. Okay, and let's name the vertical distance here as v. V is this one here, the y-axis of this one, which is y1, and then this here is the lower end, and this is the y-axis of this blue parabola. So I will have minus y2. Okay, usually when we are asked to find minimum, we need to find out in one variables, right? But now we have two. This is y1 and this is y2. But then we can substitute each function and we get a function in variable of x, right? So y1 is x squared plus 1. And then y2, I think I just put brackets so I don't get confused. And then I will have x minus x squared here. Okay, that is v, and then v is equal to, I will have x squared plus 1 minus x, and then plus x squared. X squared plus x squared is just 2x squared. So I will have 2x squared. And then I want to order it by the power of x. So I will have minus x here and then plus 1. Or because this is a function of x, I want to write it as vx is equal to 2x squared minus x and then plus 1. Okay, that is the vx, and we want this to be minimum, right? Okay, and that is minimum, vx minimum, when v prime x is equal to 0. Okay, now let's rewrite that. So we will have v prime x is equal to 0. Now we can take the derivative of this function by using power rule. So 2x squared, we will have 4x. And then minus x, the derivative of minus x is minus 1. And then I will have that equal to 0. So for x is equal to 1. And so we will have x is equal to 1 over 4. Yeah, that is logical because 1 over 4 is near here, right? At this point, okay? But the question is the minimum vertical distance. So the value of Vx when x is equal 1 over 4. So minimum vertical distance. Okay, I will have v, but when x is equal to 1/4 or a quarter. Okay, and we can substitute this x is equal to 1/4 to this formula here. So that will be 2 multiplied by 1/4 squared, and then minus 1/4, and then plus 1. Okay, 1/4 squared, that will be 1/16, but then I will have 2/16, and then minus, I can multiply both numerator and denominator by 4, so I will have 4/16, and then plus 1. 1 is 16 divided by 16, right? So I will have, this will be 14, yeah. So v max, oh, v not max, that is minimum. V minimum is just this one here. So 2 plus 16 is 18, and then 18 minus 4, that will be 14. So 14 divided by 16. Or we can divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So I will have v minimum is equal to 7/8. And maybe let's put it in a rectangle and highlight that as our final answer. Okay, hopefully I did not make any mistakes in my calculation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.